So in this video I will be fixing my DJI Spark, a drone which I crashed a couple of weeks ago. The drone crashed a couple of weeks ago and I wrecked one of the wings, so the motor is completely wrecked and the housing is a little bit wrecked too. So I have to replace the whole thing, well, the whole outer shell, so that it functions properly again, and I have to replace one of the motors as well. So I've ordered some parts. To be precise, I've ordered the shell, a motor, one of the plates and a couple of other things. So I'm gonna put all of the inside of the old Spark into the new housing and hopefully it still works all afterwards. We're gonna find out very soon, I guess. But before, I will need a couple of tools, so I'm gonna get them out now.